Hi everybody, Grandpa here. Well, I tell you what, let's head on over to Easel, check out our new project, and see what's happening. I'll meet you there. Okay everybody, I've got to jump on things because we want to get to painting our bird. Okay, now look, here is what we're staring at. Okay, the bird's primary color is yellow. Okay, orange is an adjacent color to yellow. It's yellow with red in it. Okay, so the adjacent colors will work just fine. Green is also an adjacent color to yellow. Okay, just a little further down the line because it is yellow and blue. The brown that the bird is going to be sitting on is a very neutral color. Okay, and so everything will work together to emphasize our bird. All right, and we've put this on a wet paper, and what that's allowing is allowing the colors to just work into each other, work together, and give us a beautiful, beautiful background. All righty, and this is what we're shooting for. Okay, and we throw a little bit of darker stuff here and there, just like that. Okay, just a little bit to give some motion into the background. Now tomorrow we'll be ready to start on the birdie. Okay, so be with me tomorrow, and remember that I love you, I love you, I love you.